Some of day up on the ends. Walmart ends. You sit down on the people ends. I put them tired, so I'm just be like, sit down on the people in things. Who bad like a me? Yeah. Look handsome and thing. Well turned up. Face nice and thing. Don't know. For the ladies then, you understand? So, yeah. Walmart or something. Keep this one. God, can't be in trouble me again. Pick up on yourself. Done. No. Alright, I just came out of the bank, right? And look at this. I park right there. And they parked. You see that entire space there right there, so? And look all the people them choose to park. Right? Right there, so. No, tell me now, why them couldn't park properly? So me can get for go in the car. Watch there. Look there. You see the little space there, so? The door can't even open properly. Now me have to try and squeeze go in the car. We don't need to park properly when we now go a road. Oh my, I'm gonna have to watch there. Watch there, look there. Look how I'm fat. You see how I'm fat? Man, can't even go in the car. Sure. Oh my god. These people, trust them, man. Alright, done. Hey peeps, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, I'm at school. Well, I'm gonna change that shirt here. I'm gonna watch that. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Sun is shining, breeze blowing, trees swaying. No, the trees them not sway. But yeah, reach school early, which I will kind of surprise a lot of people because I'm always late. But yeah, things and time of a change. So, yeah, kind of dress up mark, right? And I ensure that I come to school early and learn something. So, I'm gonna try and see if I can learn something today and things like that. But so far, day has been going good. Hope you guys day going alright so far. My gingerbread and my jelly beans. You know, say I have a problem though, honestly. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get my new camera though and start to hold it and vlog, because to be honest, my Anna hurt me already and not even 1 minute in the vlog it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But yeah. Open it alright. Big up on yourself, same. Thanks for watching and thing. Yeah. But now not really for say. Yeah man, walk on, don't know, big up on yourself. Add up on Snapchat, add up on Instagram. Yeah, when I move around, I tend to process things better. So, I like to walk and talk. And the camera kind of drop now because my hand is hurting me. Am I getting good light in here though? If I'm black, you tell me if I'm too black, you know, because you have to have the light. You have to have the light tone there. You understand? But yeah. Alright, people, may I leave on you know and then go in there, so go change my shirt and thing and look handsome again for class. So later people. You know you're going to miss that shot, right?
Wow!
Exactly.
That was because you talked.
Oh, listen to me. Shaunda, vlog. Alright.
You really gonna miss on the shot?
I probably should have turned on the light. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. I probably should have turned on the light on the camera, right?
See? I told you. That's him who missed the shot.
Ooh, I was close. Alright.
No, that's not what I wanted.
Here. Let me see. Okay, I'm going with that 3 no. So close.
No, it wasn't close at all. You don't really have to record me beating you.
Trust me, book ups right now, book ups. I'm just getting in the groove. Oh Lord.